Well, questions about property insurance is probably something that's crossed your mind as we all wait and see where Irma will hit. So what can you do ahead of time to protect your property in case you need to file an insurance claim after the storm? Contact 5 investigator Sam Smink has some answers.
As Hurricane Irma makes her way to Florida, property insurance attorney Javier Delgado says, bust out the camera.
You want to take your time and you want to be able to videotape the outside of your property as well as the roof. If you can, videotape the roof, make sure you can do it in a safe manner. And then videotape very slowly the inside of your property.
Of course, that's after you've already put the shutters up and taken other safety measures.
And the purpose for videotaping all of this is to show the insurance company that you didn't have any prior roof damage, you didn't have any prior damage to your windows or walls.
Unfortunately, if you don't have flood insurance already, you're out of luck.
The best thing you could do is just try to have sandbags to maybe slow down or avoid water from getting into your property. You can, if you have a second story, bring your contents up to the second story.
But insurance companies will pay for most wind-driven rain damage.
Wind-driven rain would be where water is coming in around the sliding doors or around the windows, or something, the wind or debris breaks a window, or there's a hole in your roof and wind-driven rain is now coming in because of that opening of your property.
Delgado says after the storm, document, document, document. He says one of the best pieces of advice he can give again is to make sure you take videos and pictures of your own damage and make a list of what is damaged. Back to you.
Speak for us tonight. Thank you.